In this video, I'm going to go over the menu bar cutter. So up here, we have cutter, mat size, 12 by 24, 12 by 12. All of this can be found over here. And I have actually made a custom size for the Starcraft printable. 8.5 by 11 sheets. If you want to make a custom size, I've already gone over how to do that here when I went over the document panel. All right, and then you have the mat orientation, which is also over here, and preview, which is your preview your cut lines here in your document box or dialog box. And then we have cut with Starcraft. What this does is opens up your cut document settings. Okay, now to be honest, I've been so busy making videos that I have not even done much with my machine, which is sad, but that's all right because I'm almost done, and then I can cut stuff on my machine. All right, so let me cancel that. And then we have cutter settings, which is this dialog box, but like I said, I haven't had a chance to play with that yet. There are, if you join our Facebook group, there's a link in the description below. There are several other VIPs in that group that have made and are making videos with the Solo machine, and they go over a lot of that stuff. All right, so then you have my cutter, manage cutters. Now, the Create software is going to have more than just the Starcraft Solo machine that you can use the software to cut with. So once those get implemented, then you'll probably see like the silhouette cutter. You won't see Cricut because Cricut has its own I don't know how to say it. They don't, like, they want you to use the Cricut machine with the Cricut software, okay? Anyway, you'll see some other brands here, but for right now, Starcraft is the only one. All right, so then you have the tablet connection, which I don't know if that's going to be an option. I just don't know. So not much knowledge when it comes to the cutter menu here, especially down here in this section. But that's it for the cutter menu.